this video, I will show you how to add recipient in Wise. So what you need to do first is you need to go ahead and click on send. And once you click on send, you can just select the person where you want to send to. So you can just go ahead and click on add a recipient in here. And once you do that, you can select their currency. So you can select every currency that there is on the platform. In this tutorial, I'm going with United Arab Emirates Dirham. So I'm going to select this. And now you can just add the person if he is on Wise. So you can search him by Wise tag, email or mobile number, or you can add your recipients by name and IBAN, or with a PDF or image capture, or you can see some different options, and that is paying by email. But the most convenient way is by doing it on Wise if that recipient is on Wise. Otherwise, you can just go and click on bank details, and then you can select in here someone else. And once you do that, you can just fill in their email, their name of the account holder, their local bank account, and their IBAN. And after you have done that, you can just go and click on continue, and then you have added this recipient in Wise, and then you can easily transfer money to this person every time. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.